Hello, Mavericks. Welcome to the channel. Let me ask you, do you constantly feel like there's never enough time in the day? Are you drowning in unfinished tasks and missed deadlines? Or maybe you know you need better time management skills, but you just can't seem to break the cycle? You're not alone! So many of us struggle with time management, and the worst part? We know we should be more organized, but we still don't do it. Why? Because poor time management can feel like freedom, until it starts keeping you stuck. In today's video, I'm breaking down why time management is the foundation for success, the 3 beginner-friendly strategies to get your time under control, how to break free from bad time habits, even if you've struggled for years, the best tech tools to keep you accountable and productive. And if you need even more support, stick around because I have an exciting announcement at the end of this video. I'm Raya, the Job Search Maverick, and my goal is to help you level up your personal and professional success. Let's dive in and make things happen. Step 1. Change how you view time, the hard truth. Time is the most valuable asset you have, but most people treat it like it's unlimited. Every successful person you admire has the same 24 hours in a day as you do. The difference? They protect their time. Mindset shift. Start thinking of time like money. If you wasted $500, you'd feel it, right? Well, every wasted hour is costing you career growth, personal success, and peace of mind. Ask yourself, what are my biggest time-wasting habits? What's one thing I can start prioritizing today? Pro tip, use AI-powered time-tracking apps like ToggleTrack or Rescue Time to analyze how you really spend your hours each day. Trust me, you'll be shocked. Step 2. Master these 3 beginner-friendly time management strategies. If you're new to time management, don't try to overhaul your entire schedule at once. Start small, but start now. Number 1. The 80-20 rule, Pareto principle, 80% of your results come from 20% of your actions. Identify your high-impact tasks and do those first. For example, if you're job hunting, sending one high-quality, targeted application is better than rushing through 10 mediocre ones. Number 2, the Power Hour method. Dedicate one focused, uninterrupted hour to your most important task each day. No phone, no distractions, just pure productivity. For example, want to upskill? Spend 1 solid hour on a new course before doing anything else. Number 3, time blocking schedule. Everything from work to breaks to workouts in advance. If it's not on your schedule, it doesn't exist. Pro tip, use Google Calendar or Notion AI to create daily, weekly, and monthly plans. Step 3, break free from bad time habits. Let's be real, knowing what to do isn't the problem. Actually doing it is. If you've been stuck in a cycle of procrastination, distractions, and inconsistency, you need a system of accountability. Find an accountability partner, like a friend, mentor, or coach who checks in on your progress. Use AI-powered task managers. Try apps like Todoist, ClickUp, or Asana to stay on track. Gamify productivity. Use habit tracking apps like Habitica that turn time management into a fun challenge. Pro tip, set a reward system. Finish your top 3 tasks, treat yourself to a coffee or a Netflix break guilt-free. Step 4. Leverage technology to stay on track. We live in the age of AI, so why not let technology help you master your time? Best AI tools for time management and productivity. Sunsama is an AI-powered daily planner that keeps you focused. Motion uses AI to automatically schedule your tasks in the most efficient way. Clockify tracks your time so you can spot time-wasting habits. Pro tip, if you struggle with digital distractions, use the Do Not Disturb mode on your phone while working. No notifications equals instant focus. Step 5. Get the support you need. Mavericks, let's be honest, time management is hard. You're not failing because you're lazy. You just need the right system to follow. That's why I'm launching my time management course. Learn step-by-step strategies to take control of your schedule. Master organization skills that fuel success. Get access to information about exclusive productivity tools and AI hacks. Coming March 2025. If you want early access or prefer one-on-one coaching, email me today. The details are in the description box below. Mavericks, here's what I want you to remember. Time is your most valuable asset, so use it wisely. Small daily habits create massive long-term success. You have the power to take control of your life, and that's starting today. I have a question for you. Please tell me, what's your biggest time-wasting habit? Drop it in the comments because I'd love to help you fix it. Mav fam, if this video helped you, please do. Like this video if it was helpful to you, as it helps spread this message. Please share this video with someone who needs better time management. Why not subscribe to join the Mav fam here on this channel and take control of your success? Turn on notifications so you never miss a game-changing tip. As always, Mavericks, it's been a pleasure. I'm Raya, the Job Search Maverick, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's make things happen.